Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a game pass in Roblox in the update menu. So first thing first, you are going to want to go to roblox.com. Then you are going to click on this create. That will take you to create.roblox.com/creations. Now after that, you are going to click this, the three dots, and then click open in new tab, which will bring you to this. Then you want to go to the left where it says details, and then you have to go into this associated items, and then this is where you can find all your badges, passes and developer products. So if you want to make a pass, you can click on pass, which is also short for game pass, and you click create a pass, and then you just find like a random image. After that, you are going to want to give a name and then give it like a description. Well, the description's optional, you don't have to do that if you don't want to. Then only be like there if like people check in like on the page, like check the official like markings on the pages or stuff like that. And after that, you are going to click on create pass, and then as you can see is now marked as off sale. You are going to click on this open new tab again, and then click on three dots and then configure. Then after that, you want to go to sales, click on this item for sale and make it like edit the price. Then after, you can mark it for sale, you could set a price. So it's like if I mark it for 3, I'll only get 2 because of the Roblox tax. There you go, now it's updated. And that's also how you can make a pass. For in case if you want to like do something like please donate, or if you are like developing a game, etc., that's how you can do this. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.